Welcome to another module in Words in Windows 11 tutorial course. So in this module I'm going to tell you about browsing, how you can browse or search a specific website in the internet. Just come here, open this Google Chrome, and here type whatever you want to search, like www.3school.com. So I cannot access right now because I don't have internet access. So this is the browser's what we can say interface. From here we can open new tabs to search for new specific websites. Also from here we can access new tabs. You can see all of our bookmarks here and the sites that we have bookmarked. From here we can bookmark a specific site. Just click on it and add. From here which can type a name for our bookmark and select the bookmark bars. Do you want to bookmark here or bookmark in this option here? Just select from here. And this is from here. This shows our extensions. If we click here, we can see our extensions. Right now we have this much of extension in our web browser. This ad blocker extension, especially this blocks extra ads from our search engine. This is our tabs group. If you come here, from here we can open new tab. From here we can new window, like this. New window just opened. If you click here, like this, our new tab just opened. And it is a new incognito windows opens. This is the person that just signed in here. We can change it from here. This is password and autofill section. This is all the sites that they had a password and they are stored here. We can delete it from here. Just type here we have to type our computer password. And now you can see this has opened. From here we can delete this, like this. Just delete it. From here we can see the history of our search. All the site we have searched, you can see its history. From here we can access our downloads. From here we can see our bookmarks, like this. To delete any bookmark, just right click on it and then delete. Also you can do from here, just right click on any of the bookmark, just delete it. From here we can access our tab groups. Also we can do from here extension, just recently I told you. And from here we can zoom, like this. Also from here we can go to full screen, and from here just click this. And if you come down here, from here we just go to our settings. From here we can access our autofill password, like this, and privacy and security. From here, performance, appearance. We can change the themes of our web browser. We can customize our toolbar. It's also default. Mode is a dark. You can change to the light, like this. From here we can enter custom web address. If we select here, we can select a specific web address. If we go to new tab, just we go from here, we can type the address of the web here. In all other the options, just you can change from here. Search engine, we can select our search engine from here. So right now it is a Google default, so we can select any of this. So default browser is Google, and only startup. So we can continue where we just have left, or we can open a new tab, or we can open a specific web page. Just open a specific web page. Here, from here we can change the language. From here we can change the location of our download. From here we change the select location, or from here whenever we want to download something, just the download option just ask us where should we put the download file. And also whenever our download completed, so it will show from here if we select this. And all the other options, setting options are here. Just practice and you will learn it easily. So this is how from our web browsing module. So practice and learn it, and see you in the next module.